Abang-abang, adik-adik sekalian, kita bersyukur ada satu negara Muslim, negara Iran, yang hari ini berani menunjukkan taring menentang kebrutalan Israel. Israel to send a message to the world that we are against genocide of Israel. We are against brutality of Israel. We stand with Iranian government. We stand with Iranian people. You don't have to be Sunni. You don't have to be Shia. You simply have to be human. Because for Gaza and for Palestinians is a humanitarian crisis. We are now sending a peace, sending a message of peace to the world. We will always stand on peace and to support Palestinian, our brothers and Mujahideen in Israel, in Gaza, in Palestinian, to strike against Israel government and Israel troops.